welcome back to my channel, and you guys know what it is. It is time for extreme couponing to extreme donating. Every single month we show you guys things that you guys can do with all your extreme couponing. Jeff, who saves the coupons, he's the one who organizes this every single month, so thank you, Jeff, again for inviting me. It's just nice to share with you guys, and a lot of you guys really enjoy these kind of videos for us helping out people. You know, everybody comes up with different ideas. Beforehand, when I first started donating stuff, I would only directly donate to just one place. I used to donate to a church, and then I'm like, you know what, why not donate other things than just, you know, to the church, because there are a ton of organizations out there. So in the past, you guys seen me donate stuff to the animal shelter. I've done stuff for a food drive. I've done a school. I've just donated everything, and I love to show you guys new things every single month. But what happens is where I go and get my where I have my post office, where I have my P.O. box at, right next door there's a community center, and the inside right outside there is a little like newspaper stand. You know, where the newspaper stand where you put the money in and then you open the door and you grab one. It's one of those, but they must have like taken the lock off or something, but it says free little pantry, and I'm like, what is in there? So I walk over there, and they got a bunch of, like, you know, cooking stuff, because I've heard of the free little pantry. There's also the free little library, but I'm like, you know, what can I do for that? And I'm like, oh, I should put some stuff in there, because as you guys know, I get a lot of condiments like for free or pretty cheap, and it's like I don't need it all, and that's the point of me getting extra stuff, so I can share with stuff like that. So I ended up trying to figure out, they did have a list of stuff that they wanted to put in there, but I saw some other stuff in there, and anybody can use it. You just come and grab whatever you guys need. So like, let's say, you know, it's a Sunday night, you're making dinner, don't want to run all the way to the grocery store, where you can just drive there, making sure that they have that one little item that you needed. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. So now what you guys are going to watch is, we already donated it, Ben and I. So he's like, I don't want to get out of the car. I'm like, no, come and help me. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what we donated already, and you guys will watch this, and I'll see you back. So here is what we got. This is a little thing that I was telling you guys about, the little pantry. It just says, take what you need, leave what you can. So there are some goodies in here. So Benjamin, you're going to help me put some stuff in here? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's just put it right on here. Okay, so now Benjamin, just help me take this stuff out. Nope, we're going to put them in here.
I like this.
Oh, you like that? You don't like Jell-O. Okay, we got Lipton tea. We got some ranch dressing. Some barbecue sauce. We're going to put some hot sauce in it. Mustard. And we're going to get some can of soup. And then we got ketchup. Again? Okay, so there we got some goodies in there so people can have it. And this is my little donation for the month. Thanks. So as you guys just saw, what Ben and I donated at the free little pantry. I know it's not much, but you know what? Every little thing helps, and I'm hoping I can help some family who needs some ketchup or some barbecue sauce or any of that stuff at the last minute. But I did forget to mention in the first half of the video of everybody who did participate. Now I will try to have a link below. I am out of town right now. As you guys can see, I am at my parents' house right now for the next couple days. So when I get back to my own house, I will put a link of everybody's videos or everybody's channel, so you guys will definitely have to check that out. But the people who are participating in this month's extreme couponing to extreme donating is Savvy Coupon Shopper, Ash Loves Coupons, Gina Schweppe, Nicole Burgess, Brittany Tolberg, Amazing Teppy, Nicole Coupon Queen of Columbus, Madison Pippins, and also Jeff, who saves with coupons. So you guys will definitely want to check out everybody's videos, because everybody donates different things to different places, and it's pretty exciting to see where everybody donates stuff. But again, you guys, thank you guys for everybody who helps your community, helps everybody out. It's always better to help things out, you know, better things come out in the end. But thank you guys for everybody who watches this. Sorry, there's bugs out here. And I will see you guys all later. Again, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.